Good evening to all of you. Myself Suraj Tripathi. I have done my MTech from Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur. In this video, we are discuss about the number system. Let us see how we will do it. Okay. Number system are defined as a magnitude of any quantity. We will write down here magnitude of. First of all, we will write down here number system. Okay, this is the number system. What is the definition of number system? Number system is a magnitude of any quantity. Magnitude of, I will write down here magnitude of any quantity. Magnitude of any quantity. Okay, magnitude of any quantity. Then for example, if you want to count anything, how you will be represent. Suppose you have some apple or some balls. Suppose that you have some balls. Okay, some balls. Then how you will be say these are the 5 balls. You will be say 5 balls. So what you are telling, that is one particular number system. Okay, you are telling in a one particular number system, this is the 5 balls. Okay, then 5 is integrate decimal number system. This will be here decimal sorry, here decimal number system. Decimal number system. Okay, then what we can say here, that mean human are generally use decimal number system. Okay, for regular use. So like to quantify anything, okay, or get the magnitude of any quantity. To define the quantity of any magnitude, we required some number system. So we have 4 basic number system. First, what will be the, let us see it. First is the decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system. I will write down here. This will be here decimal number. Write down like this only decimal. Okay, decimal, what will be the here, we will write down, it will be 0 to 9. 0 to 9, 10 numbers are available here, 10 numbers, and base will be here 10. Okay, for example, if you want to write down the here example, you can write down here 1,4 or 154, base will be here 10. Okay, then if you write down here binary will be 0 or 1, and it is also known as the bits here, bits. And what will be the number here, 2 numbers, and base will be here base will be here 2. For example, if you want to write down here, example will be here 101001 2. Okay, then what we can write down here, we will move for next one. octal will be there are 8 number 0 to 7. Okay, 8 number I will write down here, 8 number, and base will be here 8. Base will be here 8. If you write down here example will be here 1 3 5. Suppose that you can take any number in between 0 to 7, 1 3 5, and it will be base will be here 10, base will be here 8. Okay, if you want to differentiate between the decimal and octal, then how you can say differentiate? If base will be 10, then it will be decimal. If base will be 8, it will be octal. And we will see next one will be hexadecimal will be here, it will be 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, 0 to 9 and A to F, and there will be 16 numbers, and base, what will be the base? Will be 16. Okay, and for example you can write down example will be here, suppose that 2D. Okay, this will be the our example. And what will be the further? 10 will be here A and comma, 11 will be here B, and 12 will be here C, 12 will be here C, and 13 will be here D, and 14 will be here E, and 15 will be here F. Okay, there are 10, and this will be, and 6 this will be, and this is our complete number system. I hope you understand. I can also explain in brief, but time is less. I hope you understand this. Thank you very much.